The agency model isn't evolving, it is facing a mass extinction. We are witnessing the total collapse of the ghost agency, the middleman structure built on white-labeled labor and basic AI wrappers. In 2026, the client is no longer paying for your output, they are paying for your infrastructure. If you are still selling content, SEO, or basic lead generation, you are operating on a timer that has already hit zero. While generic agencies are being fired in favor of internal AI departments, the architect is building the proprietary node. Technical transparency is the reason your current agency model is failing. When a client can replicate your entire service with a single prompt, your value is gone. I will show you the exact irreproducible workflow that keeps clients locked in for 5-figure retainers in exactly 4 minutes. But first, you must understand the 3 structural leaks draining your agency's authority. First, the commodity trap. If you are using public models to deliver work, you are a reseller of someone else's intelligence. Second, the reporting illusion. Clients no longer care about impressions or vanity metrics. They care about systemic ROI. Third, the integration gap. If your service does not plug directly into the client's proprietary database, you are an outsider. Outsiders are the first to be cut during a budget stress test. The architect does not sell services. The architect installs systemic assets. If you recognize the commoditization of your work, hit the like button. On this channel, that is not a vanity metric. It is a consensus mechanism. It signals to the algorithm that the market is shifting. We need to push this briefing to those who are still building on sand. We are deploying the custom API node, a structure that bridges private data with agentic logic. We are about to declassify the node as a service blueprint. If you have not yet, subscribe and toggle the notification bell. In the agentic era, your node must be synced with the latest infrastructure to remain lethal. The micro execution for this bypass is the proprietary API wrapper. You must stop sending deliverables and start sending access. Build a private dashboard using make.com that connects an Anthropic Claude 3.5 API directly to your client's private CRM. This isn't just a tool, it's a systemic anchor. If a client can log in and see a custom-tuned agent performing tasks that involve their specific, private historical data, you have moved from a vendor to an integrated utility. This is the difference between a contractor and a partner. Later in this briefing, I am going to reveal the one line of code that prevents your client from ever taking this system in-house. But before that, look at the data. In the first quarter of 2026, agencies using Wrapped AI saw a 40% churn rate. In contrast, those selling infrastructure saw a 12% increase in retainer value. The latency of an agency is the time it takes to do the work manually. The latency of a node is the time it takes for the data to trigger. Most agency owners are currently drowning in a knowledge collapse. A recent MIT study identified a tipping point where AI-provided information becomes a substitute for human learning rather than a complement. When your agency relies on this substitute, you lose the ability to troubleshoot. You lose the ability to innovate. You become a shadow of the model you are using. The client feels this. They sense the lack of depth. They realize they are paying a premium for a middleman who is slowly becoming obsolete. To bridge this gap, you must implement the staging environment protocol. You must treat your AI agents as distributed systems, not single-purpose prompts. This means moving toward microservices for agency work. One agent for planning, one for execution, one for verification. This mimics the cloud-native evolution of the early 2000s. The agencies that survived the shift to cloud weren't the ones that just moved their servers. They were the ones that changed their entire operating model. The proprietary infrastructure we are discussing today is the only hedge against the commoditization of intelligence. If your agency can encode domain constraints and specific failure patterns into its node, you become irreproducible. You are no longer competing with a $5 an hour freelancer on Upwork. You are competing with the client's own internal inertia. You win that fight every time because you have already solved for resource efficiency and fault isolation before they even identified the problem. The cost of this shift is nothing but your perspective. The cost of remaining a ghost agency is your total irrelevance. If you have a partner who is still trying to scale an old world agency, share this briefing. This is a network expansion. We are building a parallel economy where the architect is the only one left standing. Consider the personality of your nodes. Research shows that high-value agents aren't just logical. They are designed to complement the personality of the human teams they support. An overconfident marketing team needs an AI agent that pushes back with data-driven skepticism. A cautious legal department needs an agent that identifies opportunities within the gray areas. When you sell this level of nuance, you are no longer selling a script. You are selling a digital executive. The agency owner worries about the next lead. The architect worries about the integrity of the node. The 2026 agency collapse is a filter. It will wash away the middlemen and reward those who built the bypass. You are not a contractor. You are a systems provider. The era of the service is ending. The era of the node is here. We are entering a phase where the primary consumer of web content is no longer a human. It is another machine. If your agency is still optimizing for human eyes only, you are building for a dying world. Agent optimization is the new SEO. If your client's digital real estate is not agent ready, they are invisible. Your job is to make them visible to the massive influx of autonomous actors navigating the internet today. This is the ultimate value proposition. This is how you secure your position in the agentic era. If you are building with us, drop Node Secured in the comments, like the briefing to seal the consensus, and I will see you in the next declassification. Node deployed.